I'm just here with one of my boys today. He actually got the M Sport kit off me because this car was not M Sport just like mine. And this is his, this is mine obviously. And yeah, we're just doing a little shoot with our cars. And it's sick, man. The cars look so great. If you guys know this area, if you guys are from Ottawa, we're just in Lansdowne, kind of parked up here. I'm not even sure if we're allowed to, but so look how sick the cars are. It was raining too, so my car is not the cleanest, but yeah, still looking pretty good. I'll show you guys some of the photos once it's done and some rollers and stuff. Guys, we got some sick shots. I don't even think I'm recording enough, but he's right behind me. But yeah, we got some sick shots. I'm trying to show you guys this car. It's sick. He has the new tail lights, headlights. This car looks so sick. I'm just gonna give you guys a little pull underneath the little bridge here because it looks so sick. Yeah, we got some rollers under here as well. So them pops though. This car sounds so good. Just found the sick spot. I actually came here before. I was in this spot once I came here for a video and a reel. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it's sunset right now. The sky was pink a second ago. The cars look so good. Bro's just doing his thing over there. He said he got some crazy shots. I can't wait to see them.